Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on Best Buy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page once again, from which if you wish to change your shipping address, click on your account icon and then click on account. This will then take you into your account page. Now from here, just click on account settings and underneath your info, click on addresses. Now if you haven't already added an address, you will see the add an address option. And if you already have one, you will see the edit as well as the delete button. You can tap on the delete button for your old address, and after deleting this address, you can click on add an address once again to add a new address. After entering your first and your last name, followed by your address, your city and your state, as well as your zip code, enter your phone number, and after entering all of these information, just click on the save button. Once you click on save, your shipping address will be added. Alternately, you can also add the new address first and delete the old one afterwards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping address on your Best Buy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.